welcome to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today I've got Gary and Sophie and Katie with me, and we are doing a Power Hour Clean With Us family style. So let's get started. Okay, let's set an hour on the clock, and our plan is just to do whatever we can get done in an hour. So my strategy here is just to go ahead and get the kitchen knocked out. I'm going to be cleaning the counters while I have Gary and Sophie just putting things up that aren't supposed to be downstairs. And then Katie's going to help me vacuum and do some other things in the kitchen.
You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
And here I am just tossing a rag to Gary, who's going to throw it in the laundry room for me. So now I'm handing off the stainless steel cleaning to Gary because I can never reach the hood. So now I'm trying to straighten up my little office area, and y'all, this is usually the worst place in our whole house just because it's so small and so much happens here, so much work. And apparently it was really bad that day because at some point we're all three in this tiny little area trying to get it straight.
This place that we're in, but I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
So now I'm going to move on to the living room to do some dusting.
Take your time. I will wait.
Katie's taking some towels upstairs, and I am handing off to Gary again because I cannot reach this upper shelf, so I'm gonna vacuum while he helps me finish dusting in the living room.
You know what see us together, strolling hand in hand and watch the sun goes down. For you I would do whatever, I'll pick you up where you feel you're about to drown. Just take this chance and fly away with me. Let's break your chains and give you time to heal. So I wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. Wait while you take your time. Wait while you take your time. I know you will find your way from all of this. I know there's a brighter day for you. Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want us to be for real now, real now. So I wait while you.
Now Katie and I are cleaning the schoolroom.
You take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait.
Now everybody else is working on cleaning upstairs, and I'm gonna try to get our bathroom straightened up and cleaned.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
And as we moms do, I had to stop and kiss a boo-boo.
We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
I've been saving you, and you save me too.
another quick time check, and we've got 24.5 minutes left.
I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song, walking on the street.
So while I was downstairs working on our bathroom, Gary had the kids upstairs and they were working on Sophie's room. He's just changing her sheets out and they're straightening up her room, and then Katie will move on to her room and do the same thing in there.
And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer. 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 are old and gray. But look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone.
Now they're finished with the kids' room, so Gary comes back downstairs to help me with the bathroom. So he's gonna clean the toilet while I vacuum the floor, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mop in the bathroom.
You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
Okay, another quick time check. We're down to just under 13 minutes.
All that happened to us, 'cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night, this summer night, oh this summer night.
So while I was cleaning downstairs and mopping the floor, Katie had cleaned the upstairs guest bathroom and now she's vacuuming it so Gary can mop. I couldn't get my camera to focus well, but we're down to 8 minutes and 15 seconds.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. Then one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know.
Now I'm working on the guest bedroom. It's already been straightened. I'm gonna vacuum the floor and we are down to about 5 minutes.
Promise nobody can steal me away, then I am yours. 'Cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper.
Okay, now we have just enough time, 3 minutes and about 15 seconds for Katie to go ahead and finish vacuuming the TV room.
Or something cliche like, ooh, baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours. 'Cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing.
And time is up. So I think we did pretty good. We've never actually timed ourselves cleaning our house like this. We got a lot done because we all worked together, and really the only thing that we didn't get done was we did not get to straighten up the master bedroom, and I also wanted to mop the floors downstairs, so we ended up doing that later. But that was the only couple of things that we didn't get done that I wanted to do inside the hour that we had. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.
Love changes everything.